Welcome to SoftSpot Review. Today, we talk about VideoKidTales Reviews. VideoKidTales Review is an exciting opportunity for anyone interested in creating engaging content for children. This innovative AI app promises to generate $567 per day by posting short, 2-minute kid story videos on YouTube, exploiting a little-known secret of the platform. The best part is that you don't need any skills, creativity, or budget to get started. By attending the live demonstration on August 18th at AM EST, you can learn how to make 4-figure monthly earnings with VideoKidTales Review. This live webinar offers a chance to see the app in action and secure the lowest price ever, along with the opportunity to win prizes worth $1,000. The process of creating content with VideoKidTales Review is incredibly simple and involves just 3 steps. First, you select from a library of pre-made templates, or craft a compelling story using the app's AI capabilities. This step requires only a single click, making it accessible to everyone. Next, the AI converts the story into scenes, adding text, images, voiceovers, music, and branding to make it unique and engaging. Finally, within minutes, your high-quality animated kid story video is ready to be shared on YouTube, where it can attract millions of views and subscribers. The VideoKidTales Review highlights the app's ability to simplify the content creation process, making it possible for anyone to produce professional quality videos without prior experience. This is a game-changer for those looking to tap into the lucrative market of children's content on YouTube. The app's AI technology handles all the heavy lifting, allowing users to focus on sharing their creations and building an audience. By participating in the live demonstration, you can gain valuable insights into how VideoKidTales Review works and how it can benefit you. The session will provide a comprehensive overview of the app's features and capabilities, ensuring that you have all the information you need to succeed. Additionally, the exclusive prizes and special offers available during the webinar make it an event not to be missed. In conclusion, VideoKidTales Review offers a unique opportunity to enter the world of children's content creation with ease and confidence. The app's user-friendly interface and powerful AI technology make it possible to produce engaging videos that capture the attention of young audiences. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or a complete beginner, VideoKidTales Review provides the tools and support you need to succeed. Don't miss the chance to learn more and secure your spot for the live demonstration on August 18th. Thank you. Support us.